Welcome to this tutorial on why use Debank Coinbase Wallet integration. Debank is a comprehensive crypto portfolio management platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. By integrating Debank with Coinbase Wallet, users can enjoy a seamless and streamlined experience in managing their crypto assets. First, let's understand the benefits of using Debank. Debank provides a user-friendly interface to track and analyze crypto portfolios, allowing users to make informed investment decisions. It also offers real-time price updates, transaction tracking, and alerts, ensuring that users stay on top of market trends. Now, let's explore the advantages of integrating Debank with Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. By connecting Coinbase Wallet to Debank, users can access a wide range of features, including automatic transaction tracking, real-time balance updates, and detailed portfolio analysis. One of the key benefits of this integration is the ability to track all crypto assets in one place. Debank supports over 500 wallets and exchanges, including Coinbase Wallet, making it easy to monitor and manage multiple accounts from a single dashboard. This eliminates the need to constantly switch between different platforms, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Another advantage of using Debank with Coinbase Wallet is the enhanced security features. Debank offers robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect user data and assets. Additionally, Coinbase Wallet has its own set of security features, including biometric authentication and multi-signature wallets, providing an extra layer of protection for users. To get started with Debank Coinbase Wallet integration, simply create a Debank account and connect your Coinbase Wallet by following the prompts. Once connected, you can start tracking your crypto assets, analyzing your portfolio, and receiving real-time updates. In conclusion, integrating Debank with Coinbase Wallet provides a powerful tool for managing crypto assets. By leveraging the features and benefits of both platforms, users can enjoy a streamlined and secure experience, making it easier to track and manage their crypto portfolios. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, Debank Coinbase Wallet integration is an essential tool for anyone looking to simplify their crypto management and make informed investment decisions.